The 4-class Japan speed train incident, 34 years later. Once upon a time, the Japan high-speed train KTXI was departing at 37 miles per hour. Since this was a very old track, as a high-speed train, they were only allowed to go 37 miles an hour, which wasn't really high for them. As soon as they took the next curve, the engine started to speed up a lot, and then a lot. And then the high-speed train was rocketing down the junction so fast that it was going past the speed limit, because these rails have been damaged from the icy snow and they can't take this turning at a speed. They passed their station. People were wind blowing and their minds were blown as they saw the train rocket down the junction, picking up speed. There's another high-speed train watching the other one fly by. And at this point, the high-speed train was at more than 150 miles per hour, rocketing down the main line. They remember that near ahead there would be a very big turn with nothing to stop it. That was the end of the high-speed train. After the train had crashed, it was lying on his side with clouds of smoke and fire bursting out. Everyone was so surprised. The people driving their cars were horrified going over the bridge. Some cars have been falling off. As soon as the train went flying off the bend, the driver was killed immediately. The people in the first coach, 7 died out of 8. That is the story of the high-speed train crash 37 years later.